Hello, talking about Amazon KDP, uh, publishing book business. It is a nice business. You have to write down first a very nice book. Second, the book has to be the best in the niche you are going to publish. And now we are going to see a very nice niche. Then you have to make advertisement for this book. For instance, in Amazon advertisements, we are going to see. And then you can also make your own advertisement on social. For instance, on TikTok, it's a very good, nice social to advertise your book. If you get a lot of advertisement on TikTok, maybe one of these advertisements are going to be viral, and so it's a good advertisement for your book. So let's go to the first thing. You have to look for a good niche to publish. How to look for a good niche? We are on Amazon.com. We are looking in the American market so that you can put here an address like 10001, that's New York, so an American address, because you are as an American customers looking for a book. Then you can just write your idea on the bar. And for instance, ABC writing book. When you write an idea and you make a space like this, you see that on bar are going out a lot of other idea. For instance, ABC practicing writing book for kids 3-5, ABC writing practice book, toddlers ABC writing books, ABC writing books for kids age 3-5 alphabet writing practice, ABC writing books, and all these are niche because this is all the ideas that the people are writing down looking for books on Amazon. So if you publish a book, you have to publish a book in one of these niches. If you have an idea, but your idea isn't a niche, so is not a book that people, that customers are looking for, so your book, your idea is not going to be sold. So you have published a book and be sure first that this book is have a market, so that people is looking for this book. So, for instance, ABC writing book, just click, and first thing you are going to see how many results. We are going to publish in niche not so big, because in this niche, if it's the niche is so big, there are so many results, there is too much competition for your book to come out. So you can publish it, but you have to spend a lot of money in advertisement to make your book be in the first page, because all books in the first page like this are going to sell. So your book have to be coming out in the first page to be sold on Amazon. If your book is in the other pages, it's not be sold. This is one of 16 page, and your book has to be in the first results, in the first page of results. So first things, how many results are coming down? Under 3,000, under 1,000 should be better, but 3,000 is not so big, so should be nice. Okay, not so much competition. Second, if you download this free Titans Quick View, we are looking here on Chrome. We are using Chrome, and Chrome have a lot of free extension. I show you. And this one, Titans Quick View, it's this one, the last one, Titans Quick View, it's free, and it's very important because it's a summer of the niche, if the niche is a good niche or not. Consider that up of 50 in niche score, the niche it's a good niche to publish because there is not so much competition and because the book are going to be sold, because you need to think no much competition, and there is a lot of requests, a lot of people looking in this niche, and this book are going to be sold. 71 is very good niche, so you can write down a book in this niche. So just making a book that in the title have this niche. Then we are going to look below. What results? Results in this niche, and this is a good summer of Titans Quick View, are 3001 in one, but not all these 3000s are your competitors. Your competitors are that book in this niche that are title named as this niche, ABC Writing Book. How much is the book here in that writing title in ABC Writing Book? 0 on 16. Means that no book are titling with ABC Writing Book. So if you write a book with ABC Writing Book title, there is a lot of possibility, chance that your book is coming out in first page if you publish in this niche. So people that are looking ABC Writing Book are looking for this niche, then your book maybe it's coming out. But first of thing, very important, you have to publish a very nice book. Means very nice cover, a very nice book, very nice images. So your book has to be perfect, very nice for the customers that are looking for this book. So you have to find out first what kind of customers are looking this book, which age, and you have to make a book for this age. For instance, you can see ABC Writing Book 2 years old, it's people of 2 years old, toddlers of 1 year old, toddlers of 3 years old. There are a lot of possibility you can change year of the book for people of different children of different age. And if you have succeed with a book in this niche, then you can publish other book in this niche, maybe with other ages. So if you publish a book in ABC Writing Book 1 year old, then you can publish a second book ABC 2 years old, then another book ABC 3 years old. So you have a different books in this niche. It's very important, because if a customer buy a book from you, maybe it's coming then later coming to you again to buy another book, because if a customer is satisfied from this book, maybe he's going to buy a different second book. So Titans Quick View, very nice. And another niche you can download is this one, the Amazon Quick View. It's another free niche. And I show you, this is very important, because when you come on a title, then you can show out all the details like this. Look at this. You come on the cover and all the details are coming out, and you can see that is 84 pages, and it's 3-4 years customers. And the dimensions very important, 8.5 plus 11. And the other categories which this book are coming out, it's first in children's writing book, first in children's word books, first in educational workbook. It's very important, because when you publish a book, you have to indicate the category, and you can have idea of the category that coming out. But you consider that this is amazing, because the bestseller rank of all book in Amazon. This is 34 in all books Amazon. So this is a lot of money. Consider that under some thousand, under 1, 2, 3,000, these books are selling, but bigger too. Show you, for instance, what kind. This 1,700 is selling a lot. This one 27,000 it's selling a lot. 588,000 selling but just a little. 1,500 is selling a lot. So you can have idea of kind of book if they are selling or not, just looking in first page and looking for these results and looking the BSR. It's this name is named BSR. If BSR is low, then the book is selling a lot. Another extension is this one, Keep Scout. It's free too, and it's another idea if the book, if this niche is profitable or no. It say unprofitable, but Titan say yes. 74, 71 is very nice. So this niche you could have a book here, or maybe look in another niche, 1 year old and just waiting for results. This is very little niche because it's 251. Look at this. Is 52 results. It's not so nice like one before. And looking in Keep Scout, what happened? It's unprofitable too. Maybe the niche before it was better, but this is very little, so a very little competition. And you can have a look in all other niches. So thank you. See you next video. Bye.